Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is 12:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 15th of April. Again, tax day. Make sure you get that in. We have what makes a little bit more sense to me now. A pullback to the 121 area. Beautiful gap down this morning, completely filled. Used that as an area of support. Several lines have been hit now on a 3-minute chart of the S&P 500 ETF. Breaks at support, support, support. Support tests one time and then breaks and uses it as resistance. So 121.20, very good line. We now have a higher swing low, and we'll look at a higher time frame there, but the 121 mark holding up beautifully after this run up all the way up to the 121.50 mark. Again, these half round numbers making a lot of sense here. So higher highs and higher lows, but then almost a 100% retracement, not almost, a 100% retracement of the day's run up. So that was again brought to you by the market internals. So looking very good all day long, and then boom, all at once, up in this 1.5 area. So huge, very, very quick shift. A little bit rare to see that, but also confirmed then by the NASDAQ. However, when you look at this in a vacuum and don't look at the prices, it's a problem because we're still bullish, but rising. So again, not the most bullish scenario. This would at least say to me, watch out how I'm going to go long, even though I'm typically in an area that is seeing bullish sentiment, when I have other things in my camp telling me to watch out. Namely, the trend in this case is a big divergence there. So the VIX, sometimes a tiebreaker, in this case just saying consolidation, and that makes the most sense of all to me because we need time to rest. Huge move up. Many days in a row, and we just need to chop around here for a while. Again, if we were to hold up at 121, that would be an unbelievable high base. I'm thinking anything above 120 would still be a fantastic high base brewing here, and that's what I have been looking for a while. Good stuff. So that's what I see. I would say, again, like before, be careful how you go long in this environment like this, and don't get stuck in something like this unless you, of course, are being a little bit more speculative. In this scenario, being stopped out wouldn't be a bad thing. It just would have been. Anyway, if we do break 121, I will be looking for the next logical place of support on this chart. Right through here, there's a great line at 120.86. Resistance broken, becoming support. You can see that nicely through here, and then below that 120.60. So nice swing low, good support a couple times through there. And of course, moving averages, as we put in a little bit of a bear flag here on the intraday, but really this is nothing more than a swing low that we need to mark and then watch. So good stuff, everybody. I hope that helps with your eye to the rest of your trading, and at least one more set of eyes. Never really hurt anybody if you can keep your own sentiment intact. And I'll be talking to you soon.